Alright, you guys, I really wanted to do this video real quick because I wanted to give you guys my perspective of why the Perfect Arch took the shift that we took with our classes. So when I was creating my curriculum, I decided that in this industry, I've seen a lot of artists come and go. I've seen a lot of artists come to me and they've only taken 1-day classes, 2-day classes, 3-day classes, and they are left scared and fearful to work on clients. So I figured that 1-day classes, 2-day classes, 3-day classes are simply not enough for students. That hands-on practice, that extended supports, that shadow, that model day is something we have lived by at the Perfect Arch since the Perfect Arch existed. So I felt like with my new programs, I needed to incorporate that in our programs. The one thing I learned about this industry is when you're training with someone, if it's really not their passion to teach, they are going to sell you a dream to get you to sign up for the classes. I've seen it time and time again. So with our new programs, I figured a longer program with live models included, not just one live model, with live models included, also with us prepping you and actually sitting you for your license and not just handing you a certificate and saying, hey, go figure it out. I felt like bringing programs that were much longer in time will benefit our students and have a higher success rate for our PMU industry. That way, we don't have a lot of these artists that just taking classes and they're doing nothing. I'd rather you spend a chunk of money for your class, rather than you pay a 1-day class here, a 2-day class here, and then you leave that class and you still feel like you're not ready for this field. And let's be honest, this field is not easy. I've seen it too many times. Trainers are not going to give you the real effect of this industry if their heart is not into making successful artists. I am in this industry to not only gain students, but to actually have my students walk out of my school and be successful and actually get to the 6-figure mark and actually get clientele, know how to retain their clientele. That is what's most important to me. So a lot of people are asking, why are the programs longer? Why is it more? That is more important. That means you're going to come to the Perfect Arch where there is state accredited programs, where licensing is included, where we're going to make sure you leave feeling 100% comfortable with working on live models. That is my whole goal. I have an acceptance program for a reason. We only want to train artists that are serious and ready to tackle this industry. If you're serious, you're ready to tackle the industry, then by all means, submit your applications, get accepted, and let's start your career in PMU. This industry is a tough industry, but it is also a rewarding industry. So what is really 8 weeks that's going to bring upon a career that you're going to have for a lifetime? That's my take on it. You guys have asked. I hope that answer your question. I'll talk to y'all soon.